Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting a Spotify song as your alarm on your iPhone. Let's dive in. First, head over to the App Store. Then, search for Morning Alarm for Spotify and download it. Open the app. You'll need to sign in, but I personally used my Google account for this one. The first time, it'll prompt you to connect with Spotify. Tap Agree to sync your Spotify music. Then, click Set Alarm and choose your desired time, say 7:30 a.m. Add your favorite song from Spotify. For this demonstration, I'll use this song. Then, save your settings. At 7:30 a.m., my song from Spotify will play as my alarm tone. To stop it, just swipe across on your phone. The app also offers a falling asleep feature if you're interested. And that's it. An easy way to wake up to your favorite Spotify track. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.